Hey everyone, this is Aryan back with another video. This was a requested video by some of my followers on Instagram, as last week I posted a video about illegal pets to have in India. So everyone requested me to make a video on what all exotic pets we can have. Before I start, I'd like to mention one thing that any native breed, any native species of any animal, be it birds or reptiles, none of them can be kept as pets. So what all every pet that we have usually is a foreign species or foreign breed. The first on my list are birds, some exotic birds such as macaws, cockatoos, and African grey parrots. These are some of the common birds that people keep. Although they are very expensive, but people in India find them very rewarding. The left one is the golden, blue and golden macaw, whereas the right one is the green winged macaw. The next on my list are tortoises. Tortoises are one of the most common exotic pets as they are easy to care for. They are some hardy pets, they adjust to the environment really easily, and the diet is easy to manage as most of the diet consists of veggies and fruits. One thing that I'd like to add is always do your research because animals usually have specific requirements when it comes to their diet. Many veggies or fruits might be toxic to a particular animal. Always do your research. The next on my list are some snakes. Yeah, they are a little scary, but people find them fascinating. Even I do. Some of the common snakes that people are having as pets these days are ball pythons, corn snakes, and milk snake. They usually have frozen rats, mice, or hamsters as their diet. Although many of the snakes are a little finicky when it comes to their diet, as they would like or prefer to have their meal which they hunt, in which they hunt their prey. By that I mean that they like to be fed live animals, that is the live rat rather than the frozen ones, which could be a little not for everyone because people are a little sensitive when it comes to that. The next one are the tarantulas. Tarantulas usually have crickets, mealworms, and superworms in their diet. They come as 1 inch slings, which may grow to at least 4 to 5 inch or approximately your hand sized. The next on the list is sugar glider. Sugar gliders are fun pets. They are nocturnal. By that, all I mean is that they are usually active in the night and they sleep throughout the day. As the name suggests, they love sugary foods such as mango and apple. And by glider, all it means that they love to glide from one place to another. As shown in the graphic, I think it must be clear to you. The next exotic animal that we can have as pet is hedgehogs. No, don't confuse them with porcupines. That is the first thought everyone has. Hedgehogs are pretty lovely pets. They usually have fruits, veggies, and insects in their diets. They are omnivorous. The next on the list are iguanas. I have made a separate video which tells us about the pros and cons of having iguanas as pets. I'll add the link in the description. Do check it out if you are considering to have iguana as a pet. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and share if you love the video, and do hit the bell icon. It really helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Bye bye.